Hello students, welcome to Subsys classes. Today we will be solving the ISI Mstat question paper of year 2018. Today we will be solving question number 10. In question number 10 it has been said that let x be a real number, then limit of m tends as m tends to infinity, limit of as n tends to infinity, cos to the power 2n m factorial pi x. Option A does not exist for any x. Option B exists for x. Option C exists if and only if x is irrational. And D exists if and only if x is rational. So we have to check the existence of this limit. Now we know that cos square m factorial pi x is always a positive number. So this implies that cos of twice n m factorial pi x is also a positive number. So if we take a limit n tends to infinity, cos of twice n m factorial pi x, this is also a positive number. And ultimately if we take limit m tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity, cos of 2n, cos to the power 2n m factorial pi x, then this is also a positive number. So as you can see, this is a positive number that we have ascertained. Now we have to check if x is rational, then there exists m such that m factorial x is equal to 2k. This is a normal condition. In that case, cos of 2k pi will be equal to 1, and this will give us that cos of 2 to the power n 2k pi, that will be also equal to 1. That will give us that limit exists for rational x. Now let us find out for irrational. Now if x is irrational, then the sequence is oscillating. So we can say that limit does not exist for irrational. Therefore option D, limit exists only if x is rational, which is the option D. So today we have solved question number 10 from the ISI Mstat question paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Subsys classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.